What's going on YouTube? CEO in the making, back with another video. So a lot of you guys have probably seen the reviews that I recently posted regarding the Bose Sport True Wireless earbuds and the brand new Bose Quietcomfort True Wireless earbuds. So those of you that have seen those reviews, you've probably put a lot of this information together for yourselves already. But those of you that haven't, I wanted to make this video basically outlining the main differences of the earbuds, just in case you're wondering. So I'm not going to go all the way in detail about each of the earbuds. If you're looking for more information, feel free to check out the reviews for each one. I will put the links in the description, so if you're interested, you guys can go ahead and check those out. So this isn't going to be a very long video at all, so let's get right into it. So obviously right off the bat is going to be the price. So the Bose Sport True Wireless earbuds are coming in at $179 and the Bose Quietcomfort are coming in at $279. So you've got about $100 price difference. The Bose Sport come in a black as well as a white with some green, and then you also have a blue. The Bose Quietcomfort offers a black and then a soapstone, which is like a white or ivory type color. Aside from those things, the Bose Quietcomfort earbuds offer active noise cancellation as well as a full transparency mode. The Bose Sport earbuds do not offer either of those modes, and so that's really the main difference when it comes to these two earbuds, and honestly that's really the reason behind the $100 price difference. The Quietcomfort earbuds also feature noise cancellation technology for phone calls. So that basically means when you're on a phone call, the microphones of the earbuds will focus on your voice and eliminate background noises to give you the best possible call quality. As far as I understand, the Bose Sport earbuds do not offer that either. If you're interested, I do have microphone samples of both earbuds in each of the reviews. So if you want to hear how they sound, go over and check those out. Also, when it comes to phone calls, the Quietcomfort earbuds will allow you to hear yourself when you're on a phone call. So that way you can pretty much hear how you're sounding to the person that you're talking to. The Bose Sport earbuds, again, do not offer that feature. Another difference between the two earbuds is with the battery life. So the Quietcomfort will give you roughly 6 hours on a single charge, and the charging case will give you an additional 12 hours for a total of 18 hours of listening time. The Bose Sport earbuds will give you roughly 5 hours on a single charge, and the charging case will give you an additional 10 hours for a total of 15 hours of listening time. So as far as the overall technology and specs, those are pretty much the main differences. Now from a physical aspect, the Quietcomfort earbuds are slightly larger than the Sport earbuds, and the Quietcomfort offer proximity sensors on both the left and the right earbud, which pretty much means anytime you remove either earbud from your ears, your music is automatically going to pause, and then whenever you put them back into your ears, it'll automatically resume. With the Bose Sport earbuds, you only get that feature with the right earbud. With the Quietcomfort earbuds, you're also going to notice that they have larger microphones, which makes sense since they offer active noise cancellation. It needs to be able to pick up and eliminate as much noise as possible. When it comes to the charging cases of both the earbuds, again, the Quietcomfort case is slightly larger than the Sport case, but aside from that, the main difference is that the Quietcomfort case offers wireless charging and the Sport case does not. But they both have a very similar look. They both use a button to open and close the case, and they both feature LED indicator lights on the front of the case to let you know your charging status. As far as the overall fit and comfort between the two earbuds, for me, I did notice a more comfortable fit with the Sport earbuds. With them being slightly smaller than the Quietcomfort earbuds, they do feel noticeably lighter within your ear. So as far as the sound quality between the two earbuds, honestly, they have an extremely similar sound. Now, I do feel like the Quietcomfort do offer slightly more bass, but it's not really like a night and day difference by any means. What really separates the two is honestly just the active noise cancellation. That's really what it boils down to. And if you saw my review of the Quietcomfort earbuds, you'll know that I said that these are the best active noise canceling earbuds out there. Even though I haven't tested every single pair available, I'm going to go out on a limb and say that comfortably. The active noise cancellation on those earbuds is so monumental. If that's what you're looking for, the best active noise cancellation you can possibly get in a pair of earbuds, definitely check out the Quietcomfort earbuds. That's where they earn their price tag. But aside from that, man, if this video was helpful, Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Definitely more videos and reviews on the way. So I'm signing out. See you on the making. Until next time.